guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today in this video we are going to be making one of Seth's favorite things to eat here in Indonesia. It's called Telur Balado, or spicy eggs. And so today we're going to make it two different ways and see which one Seth likes better. One way we're going to be making Telur Balado is with this bottled hot sauce. And the other way is we're going to make it homemade style. So we're gonna actually create this hot sauce ourselves. So let me show you the ingredients we're gonna need to make this hot sauce from scratch. We're gonna be using, of course, eggs as our main ingredient. And then we're gonna have two types of red peppers. We got 5 of the big ones and 15 of these smaller red peppers. 1 tomato, some citrus leaves, garlic, a little bit of salt, and then of course we're gonna need oil for our frying in. Let's go ahead and hard boil our eggs for 12 minutes. So we're gonna put 10 eggs in. We're gonna do 5 the homemade way and 5 with the bottled sauce. Next we want to grind up all of our peppers and our tomato, and you can use a pestle and mortar like this. But for today, for simplicity's sake, I'm just gonna be using this blender. So I'm gonna chop all these up into smaller pieces and then we're gonna blend them. All right guys, let's go ahead and scoop all of this into the bowl. There we go. So this is our mixture of peppers, garlic, and 1 tomato. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of oil to our frying pan. And earlier in the ingredients, I forgot to mention shallots. So right now, we're going to just saute our shallots in the oil. I used 5 shallots. And then we're also gonna add our citrus leaves at the same time. So let's just saute those until it's really aromatic. And it doesn't take much for these leaves. These leaves smell super, super good. Smells really good, and our shallots are kind of translucent. And so now we're going to add all of our peppers and garlic mixture and tomatoes to this. Now we're gonna add a teaspoon of salt as well. And some people add sugar. I'm not gonna add any sugar to this recipe. So let this cook for just a little bit, and then it'll be time to add our eggs. All right, let's set this aside. And now we're going to get our oil. We're gonna get it hot. And now to finish the eggs, we're gonna put them in the oil. We're gonna fry them until they're crispy and golden brown. Every now and then, go ahead and give them a little stir so that they don't stick to the bottom of your wok or whatever you're frying them in. Keep turning them a little bit. They're looking pretty good. They need a little bit longer though. These guys look really good. Let's go ahead and set them aside on a paper towel or napkin. There we go, all 10 of them. Now it's time to add our eggs. This is smelling really good. So we're gonna add 5 eggs to this homemade sauce. So just put them in there, and then we're gonna coat each egg with the hot sauce. Roll them around and coat them really well. Okay, let's set these ones aside and we'll make room for the bottled hot sauce. Let's just dump it right on top. Heat it up and then we'll add our eggs. All right, there we go. Let's add all these guys. Our last 5, just like we did with the homemade ones. Let's coat them really well and let them just cook for just a little while. Not too long, maybe about 30 seconds or so. All right guys, these are the end results. This is the homemade sauce and this is the bottled sauce. Now we're going to let Seth taste them and tell us which one is his favorite, or if he just likes one over the other one, or if he just likes both of them. So first let's just observe what we obviously notice. The colors are way different.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can tell very well, but the colors are a lot different. This one, what do you say, is like a lot more like a deeper red, and that one's almost kind of orangey.
Yeah. Yeah, that one's kind of like pinkish.
Yeah, it does look a little bit pinkish. What about smells?
This one has a stronger and sweeter smell.
Yeah, I would say the bottled one smells a lot sweeter, but of course I didn't use sugar in this one. Let's go ahead and do a taste test now. Which one should we taste first?
Store-bought.
Store-bought, okay, go ahead. So
Okay,
this is
the store-bought.
Store-bought. Pretty good.
Yeah.
And it does have some spice to it. Like, it must not be too spicy because I can eat it.
Yeah.
But, do you like it?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It is pretty good. Okay, now the homemade one. Yep. I like the taste with the citrus leaf.
Yeah.
The down jeruk. I like that one. Which one is spicier?
It's not very spicy, but I think the store-bought is spicier.
Yeah. I'm not positive, but both are good.
Yeah.
But I think I like the homemade one because of the down jeruk. The citrus leaves. That makes it really tasty. Okay, so Seth, do you have a preference on which one's your favorite, or you like both of them?
I like both of them, but I think the homemade one is my favorite.
If you want to try to make your own, you guys, like we did today, there's a recipe in the description of the video, just like there always is. And you guys give it a try and tell us how yours comes out. And if you like it, if you like eating hard-boiled eggs that are fried with hot sauce over them. I don't think it's for everybody, but it's definitely something Seth enjoys eating here in Indonesia.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching. Please share this video with your friends. And thank you to all of our new subscribers. I know we have several you've told us in the comments. So welcome to the channel. And I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe and upcoming ones as well. So we hope you have a great day and keep smiling.